Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna redecorate my room and I just want you guys to see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna vlog it. And yes guys, we just wake up and I went to get some stuff on the road and I'm just gonna redecorate my room, so I'm gonna stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but probably just a room update, but wanting to stay tuned to see how it's about to go down. Remember to like this video, share this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So guys, this is how my room is currently looking because I put some of the sheets in the wash. So this is how the room is right now, and I'm just gonna do some little changes to it, a few changes, so just stay tuned to see the update. Okay guys, so this is some of the stuff that I got at the store. So I wanted to work with yellow and red, but I thought I had red curtains, and so I did not buy any because I was gonna mix it with yellow. But now that I'm home, I realized that I actually don't have any, and I have any red curtains, so I'll just work with what I have right now, because I honestly thought that I had some red curtains, which I did. I probably threw them out when I was moving. I don't know. I don't remember. But anyways, I'm just going to work with what I have. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So I bought some tiger print blankets. And with these, I have, let's see, I have some tiger print pillowcase to mix with the red, so that's why I got the blanket, because I have these also. I did get a queen set, sheet set, because it's, you know, summer is hot. I'm taking off my comforter and I'm gonna use sheet. I also did get some curtains, which is like, I was planning to use like, so I thought I had red in like this type of material, so I was planning to just use the share from this set, not the entire set, because I couldn't get any yellow share. So I bought the whole set just to use these out of it to mix with the red. But however, I'll be using the whole set because I don't have any red. I did not know that I didn't have any, but that's what I'm working with. I also got some fur cushion. I already have some, but I got a new one. And I couldn't pass this one. This one says family forever. So use the little shirt, use the way I want, the little yellow and the little red and the little tiger print. Yes. So that's what I'm working with today. Also bought some flowers and stuff, so just stay tuned guys, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already pressed I pressed the curtains because they were super crushed. So now I'm gonna put up the curtain rod and whew, so I'm gonna put it up. I love this curtain rod because it's like you just put it in the thing right here and then it just fits in. I just pressed it, but it's still a little crushed, which is okay. So that's that. Okay guys, so the curtains, they're up, and that lighting that you're seeing right there is just a reflection from outside because it's still daytime. And so next I'm gonna move on to my bed. I'm gonna spread my bed, but first we need to take down that picture frame and put up a new one. So guys, I bought this frame or decor piece, and I'm gonna put it up right now. I'm gonna take down the old one, so let's go ahead and do that.
Let's move this old picture frame. I love this picture frame, but sorry, I'm gonna change it to this one. Actually, let's do it this way. There we go. There we have it.
So now guys, I'm gonna start spreading the bed. I got 2 pillowcases with the sheet set, and I bought 2 tiger print or leopard print, whatever you want to call it. I bought 2 separately, so now I have 4 pillowcases. So yes, let's begin spreading the bed. Or actually, I'm going to spread the bed and then I'll come back and show you guys how it's going, okay? So now it's time for me to put on the sheet on the bed. I love this color. It's just probably not the best color for summertime because you know it's hot, but I like it and I wanted something different, so you know I got the red. So guys, this is what I have so far. The curtains are up, my decor piece is up, the bed is spread, and honestly I have this blanket here. I don't know how to, like, you know, design the bed with it, but I just put it on the side right there. So you guys can comment down below and give me ideas if you think this doesn't look I mean good, but this is how it's gonna be looking for now. So I'm gonna move on to the rest of the room so I can show you guys the final touch. So up next, I'll be changing out the flowers because you know I was working with aqua first, so now I'm gonna change these out to some new flowers that I bought today, and this is what I'm working with. These are so pretty. See, I got this piece. This kind of looks like, oh, it's panganat or pangagami or whatever. Panganat. I don't know if I said it right, but that's that. And then I have this like a grass, some wheats, and then I have some flowers with a pumpkin on the side. So I'm just gonna fold these and put them in the jar, or in my vase rather. So let's do it. Okay guys, so here's the new tour. I'm kind of feeling like a sunflower vibe, you know. It's like, I don't know, I'm getting kind of like a sunflower vibe from this, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know what you're all gonna say, but I love it. I'm comfortable, and I'm just gonna show you guys when the light is on how it looks, but this is the vibe. So guys, I'm not sure when I'm gonna change out like these things, because I have like, I know I still have the black carpet, so maybe that's why. I honestly wasn't thinking about changing these, but I can. So I am going to. I just got overly excited because, you know, I love the look and I love the feeling, so I think I'm gonna change these out. But you know, things take time, and as I said, anything that makes me comfortable, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is just my idea. This is just the way I want to decorate my room, so don't come for me. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the video, and I'm tired. I'm finally done, but it was successful. So I hope you guys like this video, and you guys can comment down below and tell me what y'all think. And remember to share the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and stay tuned again for another video. Peace out.